Welcome to the channel. We have a special NFT project to talk about today, and it is called Troverse. And they are living behind the boundaries of a simple planet. They're giant, lively 3D planets which you can explore and evacuate for highly valuable NFT treasures. Before I start, I want to mention that I'm not a financial advisor, so please make sure to do your own due diligence before investing and do not invest more than you're willing to lose. With that said, let's get right into the video. Now, the first impression that you get is absolutely brilliant. They will be minting on the 4th of March, so you got 2 days left, so mark that on your calendar. Now, these are absolutely brilliant planets that they have developed, and there are 10,000 uniquely generated planets with a big difference. And obviously, one of the major things is that these are valuable NFT assets that you can get from these amazing NFTs. Now, they are spread across the galaxy in an open world, a third-person space exploration survival game, which are featuring top-notch graphics powered by Unreal Engine. And obviously, you can check their trailers out by clicking on the link over here. I'm going to put the link of this absolutely brilliant NFT, this play to earn game, in the description below. You can go over there and check it out. Now, each planet is on the ERC, the Ethereum chain, which are non-fungible tokens, and it has a distinct visual and attributes with the proof of ownership stored on the Ethereum blockchain. And beyond the NFT, besides owning these state-of-art NFTs, the owners are going to have these advantages. And I feel that this is what makes it so unique. The headquarters, their own headquarters, is going to be deployed on their planets, which provides instant access and unlocks many gameplay features. And you actually own to earn, and the owners will receive a portion of the resources which are gathered and treasures discovered by other players on their planet. So if you own a planet and there's other players that find treasure on that planet, you will actually get a share from those treasures. And obviously, the best thing is that planet owners are going to be the forerunners of the Troverse, and they will have a head start in the future events and can enter the galaxy earlier. And in the launch event, which is very important, the Trove auction phase, the launch date is on the 4th of March 2022 at 10 a.m. PST. And obviously, you get an approximate supply of 7,000 planets, and you can mint a maximum of 5 planets per wallet, and the minting price starts from 1 Ethereum, dropping down by 0.1 Ethereum every 20 minutes until it reaches 0.1 Ethereum. So make sure you can get as much planets as you can at that time. In the second whitelist phase, which is going to be on the 5th of March 2022, 10 a.m. and this runs for almost 48 hours, and you can have approximately 2,700 planets and 1 planet per whitelist, and 70% of the last minted price in the Trove auction. And now that the public phase is going to come on the 7th of March 2022 with unlimited planets from the whitelist phase and a maximum of 5 planets per wallet, and the last minted price for the Trove auction. Now, the Trove auction, which is an equivalent to a Dutch auction, is basically means that they design a fair approach to the shift the power to the hands of the community and enable you to direct the actual mint value of the Troverse planet as you perceive it. And with the integration, they have adopted the implementation of the ERC721A developed by the amazing USCU team to enable their community to mint multiple planet NFTs, essentially the same gas price of minting a single planet NFT. And obviously, you can read more about it over here. You can check out the link, and I'm going to put the link in the description below of this particular video on the educational network, so you can go check it out. And the Trove auction reward, although the outcome of the auction is a flat price for all minters, they believe that planet owners who realize the value of the higher value in the Troverse project deserve to be appreciated with excellent rewards that they can consider for the Trove auction, and that is what makes it so amazing. And the roadmap for any successful project is something that needs to be looked at and needs to be understood. On October 2020 with April 2021, there was a pre-production which started in the design, and the prototypes were completed, which is called the Big Bang, which is done. Then you had the radiation era, which is done, and then you have the era of matter, which is coming up right now on the 4th of March, where the planet's NFT collection is going to go on sale. And then the birth of stars is going to come into existence with the releasing of the Galaxy Explorer and the birth of the Galaxy, which is the future, which is going to be in the third quarter of 2022, is going to be the game alpha release, initially only for the planet owners, and then the birth of life is going to take place in the fourth quarter of 2022 with the game beta version, which is going to be released, and then ongoing updates and expansions are going to take place. And there's a frequently asked questions by a lot of people, and I'm going to go over them so you understand what the system is. The first question that comes up and people tend to ask is that what is a Troverse? Troverse is a decentralized NFT collection utilized in open world third-person space exploration survival game featuring top-notch visuals, which are powered by an amazing game developer, the Unreal Engines, and players will have explored a vast galaxy of generated planets. And what is a planet? Planets are where players travel and explore to find rare collectibles, equipment, blueprints, raw resources, rare skins, and cosmetic NFTs. And each planet is on the Ethereum blockchain and has distinct visuals and attributes. And how many planets are going to be created? Planets are going to be the rarest and most valuable NFT in the Troverse, and there will be only 10,000 planets which are going to be generated. And how can you buy it? You can purchase them through using Ethereum directly on the Troverse website, www.troverse.io, which is in the description of this video. You can check it out. And I already mentioned how much they're going to cost. If you have any questions whatsoever, you can always message me in the comment section below or on my WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is available in the about section of my channel, The Educational Network, and I will tend to get back to you and explain and guide you as best as I can. And the most important thing, which I mentioned in every single of my videos, is the fact that to know and understand if this NFT, this play to earn game, is going to be successful, you got to know if they have a strong team, and they have got a strong team. Now, their Twitter is available, their LinkedIn is available. You can check them out. These individuals, Nima, Ash, Kevin, Frazem, these are individuals that have been in the NFT space for a very long time. They understand what strategy needs to be developed and what strategy needs to be implemented in order to make this a successful game. And you can join by entering your email address over here and actually get updated information. They're available on YouTube, on Discord, on Twitter, and on Medium. These are social platforms where you can get reliable information, but to get the most reliable information, I will highly suggest you join their Discord. By joining their Discord, you can get valuable information in regards to this absolutely amazing NFT play to earn game. You can join it from here and you can watch the trailer from here. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon so you do not miss any of the amazing reviews that I'm doing. If you got any question whatsoever, you can always drop me a message and ask me and let me know. If there's any other NFTs or play to earn game you think I should do a review of, I will definitely put it on my list. So stay tuned for my upcoming videos. Until then, take care. Allah Hafiz.